bracket for the pedals came into the car, and here it's clear to see that the hack job that was made fitting the alternative bracket that was installed in the car at some point. So now the job is to close the two holes here and to make two half moons down here, weld them into the car, close it up so it'll be nice and look almost factory. So let us begin. First patches in, one down, 3 to go. Two down, 2 to go. Nice. Corners are welded. I need a bit of grinding, a bit of paint, and I'm done. Bit of grinding and we're almost done. Just a bit of primer, bit of spray filler, that's it. So the holes has been closed. The two upper big ones and the two lower has been reduced in size, so they now fit the factory bracket. So that's nice. Next is the paddle assembly that I've been playing a bit with. Here I also need to make a small correction or adjustment. The slot for the spring is not visible when the paddle and the brush ring is installed correct in the bracket. So I have a couple of choices to do. Either I can remove a bit of the brush ring so I can slide it in over, or I can take a bit of the metal here. I think I will try with the brush ring, but let's see. I will do that in a second. But after this has been done, then I will install it in the car, just loosely, and then I can start my task regarding the clutch, the booster, master cylinder, and all this. Also, the actual steering column came out good. Now it's painted and nice, almost like brand new, but without the shifter in the column now. So that actually came out very nice, I would say. So that will also go in the car in the near future, I hope. And the last thing from today is that the harness for the passenger side came out of the car. And I'm pretty sure this is not from a 69 Chevelle like the rest. But nevertheless, it came out. Both the driver side and the passenger side new harnesses is in stock. I have that in my cabin over here. So that's ready to be used and be installed. Also, a funny thing about this one is that it's so messed up that I don't think that jack connections was standard equipped in 69, but nevertheless it's out. I will keep it until both harnesses is installed in the engine bay, but after that it will be scrapped. Okay, that was it for today. Thanks. But wait, there is more. You need to see again what came out. Truly, truly amazing craftsmanship in any way you look at it. Weldings up here or up here. But I will also say, just to get the idea to mess up something that easy to this is simply amazing in my mind. But never mind, it's going to the bin soon. I don't have to look at it anymore, so that's nice.